In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Lightroom Classic with Photoshop, Edit In. We'll walk through connecting the two apps so you can move a photo from Lightroom Classic into Photoshop for advanced edits. Then keep everything organized in your Lightroom catalog. Start in Lightroom Classic. On Windows, go to Edit, then Preferences. On Mac OS, go to Lightroom Classic, then Preferences. In the Preferences window, open the External Editing tab. This is where Lightroom knows which external apps it can send your photos to. Look for the section that designates the primary external editor and make sure Adobe Photoshop appears there. If it does, great, you're set. If you see options like Format, Color Space, or Bit Depth, those simply control how Lightroom prepares the file it sends to Photoshop. You can use your usual settings. The important part is confirming Photoshop is selected. Next, pick the photo you want to edit. You can do this from either the Library module or the Develop module, whichever you're already in. Click once on the image in the grid view or select it from the film strip along the bottom. With the image selected, go to the top menu and choose Photo, then Edit In, and select Edit in Adobe Photoshop. Lightroom will hand off the image and open it in Photoshop automatically. If you've made Lightroom adjustments, those are included in the handoff so you can build on them in Photoshop. Once the photo opens in Photoshop, you're ready for the advanced work. This is the place for detailed retouching, healing away distractions, compositing multiple elements, adding text or graphics, working with layers and masks, and applying filters that go beyond Lightroom's toolset. A helpful tip is to keep your edits non-destructive. Use new layers for major changes, and consider smart objects for filters so you can tweak them later. Also, zoom in to 100% to check fine details, especially when cloning or healing, and zoom back out to evaluate the overall look. When you're finished with your edits and close the file, Lightroom will show the updated version alongside your original. The edited copy remains organized in your catalog, ready for rating, keywords, or additional Lightroom adjustments. That's the workflow. Confirm Photoshop as your external editor in Preferences. Select your photo in Library or Develop, choose Photo, Edit in Adobe Photoshop, and then do your advanced retouching there. This setup keeps your process smooth and your files tidy, so you can enjoy the power of both apps without losing track of your work.